Happy Monday, One Hot Biters. Welcome back, Melissa here. We are making Chicago dogs. I mean, it is summer, it's hotter than Hades outside. We're gonna brave the barbecue together. So it's 100 degrees here. So I might sweat a little. It's gonna get crazy, but we are gonna barbecue today. So I'm gonna take you outside. I'm also gonna take you outside. I'm gonna show you a little clip. Last night I was wandering my garden and picked some baby Anaheim peppers that I pickled, and I'll show you those. And if you're interested in the pickle recipe, I'll have it down below. I quickly pickled those overnight so that they're gonna go on our Chicago dogs, because you know Chicago dogs are filled with all the good stuff. They are loaded. So we're gonna make those today. But again, you know me, I'm gonna keep this as healthy as possible. We're gonna enjoy these hot dogs, but I got whole wheat, white buns, so we're gonna up our fiber. And then I got uncured beef franks. So lower in fat, better in the good stuff, not as many fillers and things like that. So they're all beef hot dogs. So we're gonna make sure that we keep these healthy for our bodies to grow strong. So, well, I'm not growing anymore. That would be awesome. So anyhow, we're gonna get these ready. Okay, so real quick, if you cannot find poppy seed covered hamburger or hot dog buns, you can make them yourself. I made these because I couldn't find them, so I just did a little egg wash over the top. I did egg white, just egg white, and sprinkled some poppy seeds over the top. So there are your Chicago dog buns. They are done. Now we're real quick going to pickle our cucumber pepper mixture that goes on top of our hot dog. So we're gonna throw that together really quick. Okay, I pre-chopped our onions and we just made our cucumber mixture. I have our tomatoes all sliced up. Our sport peppers are pickled peppers, that's hard to say. And I have dill pickles sliced. That's all ready to go. I did that beforehand so you didn't have to sit through that, but let's get grilling. I have our hot dogs ready. Let's go outside. Okay, it is very warm out here, but we are gonna get our hot dogs on the grill. Get them all brown, warmed up the way a ballpark hot dog should be. All right, let's get these cooking. It is so hot out here. Anyhow, I think our hot dogs are done. Let's go ahead and pull them on. All right, we're all done. Okay, we're all done grilling. We're gonna go ahead and assemble. I'm gonna put together one of these hot dogs for you, show all the fixins. I'll get you nice and close, and then we're gonna give these a try. But anyhow, let's get these up. Okay, let's build this dog. So we have our poppy seed muffin that we made. We're gonna open him up. I like to put my sauce on the inside, so we're just gonna take some yellow mustard. Here's our awesomely cooked and grilled hot dog, all beef. Okay, 2 of our tomato slices, 2 or 3. I say, hey, let's go for it. 2 dill pickle slices. Okay, let's pull our pickled peppers from the garden out. Let's take this little guy. Isn't he cute? Okay, we're gonna stick him in there as well. Okay, now our awesome cucumber mixture. Cucumber and pepper. Some sweet onion, of course. And here is our incredible Chicago dog. Okay, and that was our hot summer bite that we just made real quick out on the grill. Perfect for summer. Let's see if we can get a big bite of this, because he's delicious. Mmm. Mmm. So many incredible textures and flavors going on here. And you actually catch the beef dog in the background, and it's that real beef. You get the crunch, the tart, the hot, all the flavors are here. So this is one hot bite. So I'm wishing you the very best week. Have such a great week. I will see you Thursday. You're not gonna wanna miss this because we're making nachos, baby. Although you know there's a catch, and these are veggie nachos. There's actually chips and cheese in it, but it has a lot of veggies on it. So anyhow, I will see you guys Thursday. Have a wonderful week.